darkness slowly recedes, and dawn seeps into the foot of the mountain. The mountain fog subtly surrounds the world, and the first sun colors the quiet temple roof red, where there is a Ginkgo tree about 1,000 years old. This is Yeongdong Yeongguksa Temple. As the first light rises over Mount Cheontae, a quiet morning begins to unfold. Following the path of light, grand Ginkgo tree appears, glowing in deep gold. In centuries-old branches, scatter the soft whispers of autumn. At the end of that golden trail, Yeongguksa Temple greets us with calm serenity. In the gentle morning light, its timeless beauty slowly reveals itself.